I think let's look at India AI from basics. If there's an LLM which is basics, and if you train that LLM on data which is from Western India, and just taking a simple example, if they were to having food at home, they'll be eating steaks and whatever they will be doing. But in India, it will be people having dal, joint families, and so the context is very different. So if you really try to import that models which have been trained on those data which is not in Indian context at all, some farmer in some state doing something which will not be there in US or Europe. So the entire end result will be very different. The value that we'll get from an AI would be very different. So number one, if you have to make an AI for India, we need to also ensure that LLMs, SLMs, whatever we want to call them, have to be trained on Indian data. The second piece is the core of any AI is all the wafers and the chips and all that. We need to, if you really want to be more self-sufficient, we need to focus on that. I know that India AI mission and those kind of things are really pushing that. And third, to my mind is, if we want to really use AI, we have to use the talent within India. What has been happening over years, and all of us are part of that last 20, 30 years, India has been more of an IT factory for the world. Infosys, Wipro, TCS, I was also part of some of those at some time. But this is being done for US, where we are more of digital for those countries. Can we use the entire talent for within India and then take India to very different? That is how we will really make an Indian AI and the value of that AI more for India.